Welcome back to Auto Choice, where we dive deep into the heart of performance and luxury. Today, we're putting two titans head-to-head, the 2024 Nissan GT-R and the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera T. First up, design. The Nissan GT-R, known affectionately as Godzilla, continues to evolve its muscular and aggressive stance. Its aerodynamic body, signature V-motion grille, and imposing rear wing speak volumes about its performance pedigree. On the other side, we have the Porsche 911 Carrera T. It's the epitome of elegance and refinement, with its timeless silhouette, sleek lines, and a design that's as functional as it is beautiful. The Carrera T is specifically tuned for enthusiasts, blending tradition with modern flair. Under the hood, these cars are marvels of engineering. The GT-R is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, producing an astonishing 565 horsepower and 467 pound-per-feet of torque, enabling it to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. The 911 Carrera T, meanwhile, harnesses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-6, delivering 378 and 331 pound-per-feet of torque. It's slightly less powerful on paper but compensates with its lightweight construction and rear engine layout for a 0 to 60 sprint in 4.3 seconds. Inside, both cars offer a blend of luxury and sportiness. The GT-R's cockpit is driver-focused, with advanced digital displays and premium materials. It combines comfort with the thrill of driving, while the Porsche's 911 Carrera T is all about minimalist luxury. It features a reduced sound insulation to save weight, sport seats, and the Sport Chrono package as standard, ensuring a tactile and engaging driving experience. But what about the driving experience? The GT-R is all about brute force and advanced technology working together to conquer the road. Its all-wheel drive system ensures grip in all conditions, making it a beast on the track and surprisingly manageable on the streets. The Carrera T, however, offers a more purist driving sensation. Its rear-wheel drive, combined with Porsche's precision engineering, delivers a driving experience that's hard to match. When it comes to value, both cars offer something unique. The GT-R is a technological masterpiece, a supercar killer at a fraction of the price. The Porsche 911 Carrera T, while more expensive, offers an unmatched driving purity and holds its value exceptionally well. If you want cutting-edge technology and sheer power, the GT-R is your beast. But if you're after driving pleasure, heritage, and a timeless design, the Porsche 911 Carrera T is your soulmate. So, which one would you pick? Share your thoughts in the comment.